Narendra Yadav. Time over. Narendra Yadav.
Thank you.
Please start.
Thank
Please
you.
start. What
Thank you,
Rajesh
Deputy Chairman,
said
sir.
doesn't go on record. What Rajesh says will not go on record.
Thank you.
Narendra Yadav.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman,
Yeah.
sir. Sir, one of the most serious fallout of the removal of distinction between plan and non-plan expenditure is abolishment of the scheduled caste sub-plan and the tribal sub-plan. SC, SP and TSP are now being replaced by allocations for welfare of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Sir, this is not an innocuous change of nomenclature. This is a paradigm shift at its worst. So this is a change from institutional mechanism which was operational for nearly 4 decades to pure ad hocism. So this is a change from targeted budgeting to untargeted budgeting. Sir, presently in terms of the human development indices, the gap between scheduled caste and scheduled tribes on one hand and the rest of the population on the other has remained unacceptably high. At this juncture, it was expected that SC, SP and TSP would be replaced by a transparent, accountable, efficient and effective centrally sponsored umbrella scheme for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, duly prioritized and sanctioned by legislation in the spirit of constitutional mandate. Regrettably, sir, we seem to be moving in the opposite direction. The allocation for, sir, we are moving in the opposite direction. It is true that the allocation for scheduled castes has been raised by 35% and allocation for scheduled tribes is raised by 33%. Regrettably, sir, this is illusory. Sir, the Ministry of Finance has issued clear instructions to all the relevant ministries and departments dated August 23 to follow Jadhav guidelines for allocation of SC/ST schemes. These were the guidelines issued as a member of Planning Commission by a committee that I had privilege to chair. Sir, if these guidelines were followed, this year's allocation would have worked out to 91,000 crore plus. In other words, this year's allocation for scheduled caste is about 44,000 crores short of the agreed amount, and similar shortfall for scheduled tribes works out to more than 18,000 crore. Sir, this is a curious case of the Finance Ministry not following its own directive. Sir, Mr. Chairman, sir, one more reason why this change is a retrograde step is this. With the plan and non-plan expenditure distinction gone, the move paves away. It paves away the move for diverting SC/ST allocations to administrative heads like salaries, pensions, and the like, rather than properly targeted schemes for empowerment of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Finally, sir, I would like to make an appeal to Honorable Finance Minister through you to reconsider this counterproductive paradigm shift, which is likely to have a serious detrimental effect on the government's vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.